I'm doing this in a public server, bro. There's a good bit of people parked around me and there's a line behind me. We have a cookout mukbang today burger. They forgot to give me sauce and the line is crazy. I do not feel like going back, but we got the cheese bites. Try it. Okay, we got the chicken tender. And to be honest, like, it's just basic. All right, ready? I mean, good thing about cookout is this feels like a burger you would actually eat at a cookout. So forgot to mention I got sweet tea, of course. I'd say overall, I'd give it like a 5 out of 10 just because I don't have the sauce. The cheese bites were surprisingly really good, like had good flavor. All right, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to drop a follow. Let me know in the comments what I should eat next time, and I will see you guys later.